Hi and welcome back to the channel where we talk about everything eBay related and more. This could be drop shipping, reselling, eBay flipping, or anything to do with eBay really on used, new and items on eBay. Today we're going to be talking about how to sell more items on eBay. And try to get to understand what really makes you can sell more items, or how to get more sales when it comes down to eBay on its platform, some different types of strategies or different types of things. There's quite a few things I'm going to go through, and so let's jump in and begin. One of the things that a lot of people do not understand and haven't really thought about this, because they're thinking about other things. And I looked at this, and I think this is the first time when somebody told me I'm from eBay, and I was quite surprised when he showed me this. I thought, wow, this is interesting. Why don't I really tell you about it? Now, pretty simple. Those of you who are probably beginners, or even are getting moving from beginner stage, and this is what we want to do, we're going to pro level, where you buy a shop and you get the pro status, meaning whereby you are performing well, and you get that badge to say, okay, you are a sort of verified seller to actually sell. Now, to get more sales and things like that, eBay will actually try and help you to get the right volume of sales, and also ensure that your store is visible. Here is a particular service called the premium service. Now, not many people understand what the premium service is, whereby, again, if you own a store, you get a 10% discount on your final value fee. Now, when you've done that, when you're in that level, obviously this helps a lot, because you're not actually paying so much on the fees. And this is quite important when you're getting more sales. And remember, this is what we want to do to get more sales. Okay. Now, this again, obviously this applies in the UK and again Ireland as well. And as I said, it just calculating the total amount. Again, those you've got a fee calculator, obviously it will be quite different as well when it comes down to when you are at a pro level. The pro level is not very difficult to get. So again, it's just a good marketing term to say, okay, you're a professional. But more importantly, premium services include. All right. Now, what happens on the other side is that there's a little badge that says you are a premium service. And again, some people know about this, but again, it probably helps you along the long run. Now, to get this premium service, this is what you've got to offer on your listings to help you get more sales. Yep. You must offer a free domestic delivery option within 3 working days. Okay, free. That's what you do. Free shipping, free domestic shipping. That's what you're going to offer. Now, how you do this on the account really is actually dependent on you, but more importantly, stick within these guidelines, and more importantly, you'll be all right when you do it. Yeah, sometimes it won't show straight away, but sometimes it will. There's a little blue icon on the action, and it says this person is a premium service person. Now you're going to also offer express delivery option 2 working days. Don't worry about this at all. Not many people go for it. Don't be the person who tries to offer shipping and an expensive shipping price on the day and on actual item. No, it doesn't really want to work. Yeah, you've got to try to do this. So you have a free shipping listing, and also on the same listing, you also offer a express delivery option. All right. So with an option of 2 working days, make sure this is probably correct, and you'll be okay. I will display that obviously on one of the listings as well. Now, for items over £20, the delivery services must be designated for tracked services. Most of them are anyway, so don't worry about that too much in the day. So everything's probably tracked as well. Yeah. So there you go. Then you can see this is what you've got. This is what the listing will say. Shipping option number 1, free domestic delivery days. There's many different services again that will give you free delivery. So you're offering free delivery service. And the option 2, delivering 2 working days, are on that. And obviously it will be tracked anyway on that. So that's number 1. A lot of people don't know when it comes down to getting that final value fee down. Try not offer more services where eBay will look at you more and it'll take you very, very serious, where your listings will actually stand out, where free shipping applies as well when it comes down to the listing. Put that under your hat. Right? Selling in bulk. This is quite interesting. Not many people don't actually know they're selling in bulk when some people do sell in bulk. I'm going to have a look at a listing here. Yeah. Remember like this premium service, that little blue badge? There it is. That's the one we're looking for. But this particular seller here is selling in bulk. Now you can see these sell loads of items, 4,217 listings. Now we're looking at the price here, but again, sometimes people sell it very, very low, but obviously when you change the options, things change. All right. So if I said, okay, you're not going to do a number of bags, you've got 25, 150. See, the items, again, strength, heavy duty, 160. Obviously, the price changes. So as you can see, in quantity, pretty good, eh? So that allows a person to also do multiple buys. Again, you can buy 2 or 3 as well. Another idea to get more sales on eBay. Yeah, different types of strategies, selling in bulks, give people options to buy more. But when you come in the door, so one, as you can see, 99p, nobody's going to buy one, are they? Very, very intriguing thing to do. And if you want to look at the history of what goes on here, today's date is the 12th of March. You can see here, 12th of March, this particular seller's gone in there, 25, 50, 100, 250, 20. Look, I'm not going to say no more, all right? So the minimum is coming in is £23, selling quite a bit of this particular items as well. So it's not about being the cheapest, it's about having a good strategy how to sell more. Let's go on. We've got quite a few, but as I said, fast and free shipping is quite important when it goes that. Have a good listing. Yeah, I'm going to touch on this one very, very carefully because I've seen this and not many people talk about this when trying to have a very, very good listing. I'm going to end this one. And when it comes down to eBay and imagery, there is something whereby I'm going to talk about this particular style with imagery because it's not just eBay that you're listing on. All right. As you can see, eBay is probably guidelines of talking about sharp imagery, making sure you've got very, very good imagery, making sure it's really on a white background. Again, as I said, on a white background. Don't try to put sort of frames on boxes and also other text inside the imagery. This is a no-no. A lot of people do this, and obviously, even though they can upload these particular items, there is a little trick in the day whereby if you keep on doing that, you won't get out as far as to the search, the other places where eBay puts your particular items. Now, this is whereby a lot of people lose out, a lot of sales wise, because their imagery is very, very bad, and they don't understand how eBay really is pushing their particular products. Remember, your product doesn't, or your item or your listing doesn't get only shown on eBay. It gets shown on some third-party sites that I can tell you about, which are very impressive indeed. And I'll go to do a whole bit listing of understanding when it comes down to guidelines and graphics and things like that. Keep it very, very safe. So you don't have to worry about it too much. I remember I said before, try not to use imagery from all third-party people under the day. That's their guidelines, and I was very strict about it when you're doing these types of things. So, as I said before, try to be very, very creative when it comes down to eBay when you're selling on eBay and reselling, and or just for the first time. You don't have to be very too stringent, but more importantly, take that as in it. There's an example. You don't want to be doing this, even though they're selling. But more importantly, I would say this person is losing out a lot of sales because of just that itself. If they thought about it, they wouldn't really need to do that. They get enough sales, but there is a lot more what goes on. They're happy they're just happy because it's just selling. So in that way, but all it takes is obviously a very, very good seller to just do something different, and guess what? They will get more sales elsewhere as well. Hope this information has been helpful. As I said before, check us out. We've got loads and more to go through this year, and we'll be doing new videos every other 2 days and more when it comes down to eBay and selling. change on eBay, and very more. That's it for now. Check out all the other videos that you may have missed here on this channel.